Hey, what's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sia FX. We are here today. I want to show you a special robot, a special expert advisor today. So, quick one before we get into the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I told you this is a very new channel. Just subscribe so that you get indicators and you get key which I will be sharing for you, and also I will also be sharing some strategies for you also on this channel. So kindly subscribe to this channel right now so you get updates whenever I drop a new video. Now, quick one, let's quickly jump into our MT5 MetaTrader. So now, yeah, here we are. So this is very simple. If you once I send you the robot, the next thing you just need to do is to open to unzip it to unzip the folder. Once you have unzipped the folder, you're going to get a folder with this name on it. Let me bring out the name. Yes, you're going to get a folder like this. On this folder we have the experts, and this expert is the EA, and here is the templates. All right, so this is how you're gonna do this, how to install it. The first thing you need to do, you copy the EA. This is the EA itself. You copy it. Once you copy it, you go to file, open file folder, and once you open file folder, it will bring you here. You select MQL5, then expert, then you paste. All right, it's there already, but let me paste it again. You paste, you replace. Yeah, okay, you just paste it there. It's there now. Then you close, then you go back to our folder, our expert folder. Yeah, there's it. Then you go back, you copy the template also. There's the template. You copy the template, then you go back to your MT5, you open the folder, and this is where the templates used to be. You open here and you open the profile, I guess, then you see templates here. All right, so once you see template here, the next thing is you paste it there. You paste. Once you paste it, then you close it. So once you close it, the next thing you're gonna do, you refresh your MetaTrader. Once you refresh your MetaTrader, it will load. You can just, to make everything be fine for you, just go to your templates. This is your templates. Right click on the screen, go down to your templates. Then by now you should see the okay, let's refresh. Template should be there, or just close and we'll reopen our MT5. Okay, now once you reopen the MT5, right click, then go to template. Then now you should see, this is it, CS by Sia FX. all right, you activate it. Once you click it, it will automatically bring in the robots, and meanwhile you can also drag and drop the robots on your screen. All right, so this robot is a very powerful robot, and this robot, you can use it for two things. You can use it for signal, to give you signal for trade, and also you can allow it to trade on its own, on its own. How does this robot, the lot size is set automatically. You can't change the lot size, all right, unless if you want to trade it manually on your own. You can change the lot size to any lot size you want if you want to trade it on your own. All right, but if the robot wants to trade for you, it's always use the minimum lot size of the pairs that you're using. All right, it's only use the lot size of the pair that you're using. Maybe like for instance, now maybe you're trading on volatility 10. The minimum lot size of volatility 10 is what this robot will pick whenever it wants to pick the trade. All right, and if you're using it for crash 500, the minimum lot size for crash is 0.20. all right, so that is what the robots will be picking. So how does this robot work? If you see this line, this line, this is red and this is blue. All right, from this blue the robot will buy from here. Then once it's changed to red, it will stop the buy from here, it will stop it, then it will start selling one trade per time. You can't pick two trades at a time. All right, when it's trading automatically, but if you want to trade manually, you can pick as many trades as you like, all right, on your own. Now look at this. Now let me zoom in the screen, then we'll do some back test of the robot. All right, if you don't really want the robot to trade for you, what you just need to do, just go to expert list. Then once you get to expert list, you see it here, then you go to properties. Go to properties. The properties here, the only thing, you don't need to touch anything, you don't need to do anything. The only thing you just need to do is just allow this one. You need to just turn off this. You need to deactivate this allow algo trading. All right, you need to just deactivate that one. So once you deactivate it, but you must always put this one on so that you hear the alert, the signal alert. Once the robot bring in an alert, maybe buy or sell, you will hear the sound from your system, coming from your system. All right, that's to tell you that the robot has picked a trade, or the robot has given you a signal for you to start a trade. All right, so now let's just use for don't let us use the auto trading. Let's just use only this. All right, so you close this one. So now let's do some back test, and we are on 1 hour time frame. All right, you can use it on any time frame at all, from 1 minute, but the recommended time frame is 15 minutes. All right, so there is it. Yes, so let's do some back test. Let's do some back test now of the robot, how it works. Sometimes not everything is not 100%, but believe me, once this robot start trading for you, you are going to see the difference of what I'm saying. All right, this robot lose sometimes and win most time. It loses, but the loss, it quickly cut down the losses and pick another trade to recover the losses, because that is how the robot is set up. So now let's zoom in so that I will tell you how this robot work. Like now, this is 15-minute time frame. Very soon now, this robot will give a down signal. All right, now let's go back and do some tests on this robot. All right, now there are some points I want to bring out from this robot. Yes, the point I wanted to bring out is that, okay, let's start from here. Let's assume you put the robot from here, then from here the robot starts selling. The robot give you a sell signal. From here you sell. Once the robot gets here, that's here, you change the signal. If you start selling from here, from this candlestick to this place, you sell from here to this place. It stop trading here. Okay, stop trading here. Like this, the distance now, like now you pick some pips. All right, you pick some profit there automatically. You pick some profit over there. So now this one, it will change. It's changed to buy signal. It will pick a buy signal, but unfortunately this trade goes wrong. All right, this goes wrong because it picks a buy from here, but unfortunately the trade goes wrong. So let's put another stick there. Let's delete these ones. So let's put another stick there. Okay, from here now the robot picks a buy signal from here, a buy signal, but the trade goes wrong and it stopped the buy signal here. All right, so what are you losing here? You're only losing this, but meanwhile just wait for it. So from here the robot picks another trade, and once it picks another trade, it stops the trade. It stops the trade here, somewhere here. It stopped the trade here. That is another winning. So from here to here, that is another winning. All right, with my point now, we are still on profit if we are checking the pips. All right, so another one from here, it picks another buy from here, then it stops the buy here. It stops the buy here because the trade wasn't going in its direction. It stopped the buy around here. This is just the little loss it lost from the new buy that it took. So now from there, it took another sell. From there, it took another sell. Now we have 2 winning and 2 losses, but our winning is more than the losses because we just only have these small losses here, lost here. So this, at least this is just like 1% of the profit you've been making before. All right, so now we pick another one. It picks another sell trade from here. It picks the sell trade and it stopped the sell trade here. All right, it stopped the sell trade here. From here to here, just look at how much profits you've made already. All right, so it picks another buy trade here because of this candle has changed to blue. So it picks another buy trade from there, then it stopped the buy trade here. It stopped the buy trade here. When it picks this buy trade, the trade go wrong. All right, the market didn't went the way the robots thought the market should go. So once the robots change the signal to sell again, it will close the loss. This little loss, it will close it, then put another sell signal. This signal, it took this signal from this candle from here. It took the signal down to here. Where is the candlestick? Here. All right, it took the signal down here. So from here to here, calculate your profits. Calculate all the profits you've been making from here to here. You're making losses, but you're still making more profits than your losses. You're just making little losses. All right, so from here it picks another buy trade. It picks another buy signal, and this buy signal this time around also fail. Because do you know why our buy signal are failing now? Because our trend, we are on downtrend. If you have a means of calculating your downtrend, like if you watch my previous video, there's an indicator I gave you guys to use to determine your trend. All right, if you can, like the PZL super trend indicator, if you can use that super trend indicator with this robot, you are perfect. Like you are like 95% perfect on your trading. All right, you're like 95%, because believe me, all the traders, once this robot give you signal here, this up signal that this robot bring out here, the super trend indicator will still give you that the trend is still downtrend. The super trend indicator will never change the trend till maybe somewhere around here before it will change the trend. But meanwhile, that was if you're taking the trade manually. If you're not allowing the robot to take the trade, if you're only receiving signal from the robots and you pick the trade. All right, so from there it stopped. From here we move here, it stopped the trade. So from here now it took another buy signal and it stopped the buy signal here. Stop the buy signal here, just made a little profit and a little loss here. So from there it took another buy. This buy stops here. Yeah, this buy stops here. All right, once this, we make a little profit here, yes. So from there it took another, okay, no, this one is sell. So now we took another buy from here. The buy goes from here to here, exactly, goes from here to here. Okay, no, here. Are you getting me? So we took another buy from here, from this place, exactly, from this candlestick to this candlestick, little profit. All right, from this candlestick it changes again. So sell, it sell to this. Okay, you don't really make any losses here. So from, okay, sorry guys, I was interrupted. All right, so this is where we are on this my cursor. All right, so from here we'll take another buy from here, take another buy from there, then the buy stop here, the buy stop here. All right, so from here to here you make profit. All right, so the buy stop from there, then you start buying, you take another sell from there, you take another sell up to this here, here's the place, you take another sell up to here. All right, this is a very little profit, but you still make profit. All right, that's for sell. Then you now take another buy from this angle. This one is a loss because you take another buy from there, so the buy need to stop, the buy need to stop here, here, here. So from here to here you lost. Okay, you lost that one, you lost that trade. But so far, since we are coming from here, we are still on the winning, we are still winning. All right, so let's go to another level now. So from there we lost, so we'll pick another, it picks another sell from there, another sell from that place to this sell. Doesn't this sell, okay, this is a buy, but I don't think maybe it will pick this candlestick because sometimes it's only pick candlestick of like 3 bars or so, or 2. All right, so if we come here, it stop the sell around here. All right, so it sell from here to here. Okay, let's assuming that, okay, it took a buy here and it lost the trade. Okay, that means, let's say, okay, it took the sell from somewhere here. All right, it took the sell from somewhere here, somewhere here. So from here to here, look at the very huge profit that the robot gave us. All right, from here to here, look at that heavy profit. So far we are still making profits, and so on and so forth. All right, now let's just go from like that, like that, like that. So believe me guys, you make a lot of profit from here to here, you make a lot of profit. From here to here, you make a lot of profit. From here down to here, you make a lot of profit. All right, from here down to here, you make a lot of profit. You make a lot of profits like that, like that. And from here to here, somewhere around this place, you still make a lot of profits, guys. From here to somewhere around here, you still make profit. All right, so to now make this thing like very perfect for you, is not, you know, I told you in the first place, we can't just say it's 100% perfect, but I will tell you this robot, and this robot, or if you want to call it indicator, it works like, it has like 95% accuracy, and it will, believe me, no matter how lost it takes, it, by the end of all your trade in a day, you will still find out that you're still in profit, like you're still in a very big profit, because it is what I've been using, and I'm still using it to trade. All right, so to now make this stuff so perfect, you can just add super trend indicator. I gave you this indicator in our last video. You can just add super trend indicator as we normally do it. You put 2 here, and here you put 2 again. That's just it. Then you click OK. So from there, the super trend indicator will come in. So there are some places that the robot will change, like for instance here, if you pick a buy trade here, if you pick a buy signal somewhere here, all right, then if you pick a buy signal here, if you look at the the robot, if you look at the robot asks you to pick another sell here, but because the super trend indicator is still selling, is still buying, then you should know that we are on uptrend, so you don't need to follow this signal here. Just leave it until the super trend indicator change. So if you should pick a trade here, that means you're going to stop the trade around here. Yes, that means you're going to stop the trade around here. And for you to pick a trade on 15 minutes, for you to pick a trade from here, where's the place? Okay, from here, for you to pick a trade from here up to this place, you have really make a lot of profit, guys, depending on your lot size. So that is what I was telling you the other time about using the super trend indicator like this one, also buy, but the robots change the signal to sell here, but you don't need to follow the robot since the super trend indicator is still telling you to buy. All right, so that is a very perfect way. Like if you had it with this super trend indicator, the accuracy is like 98%, guys. The accuracy is like 98%. Imagine you sell from here. All right, once you sell from here, then the robot, okay, let me remove this one. Okay, imagine you sell from here. Okay, you sell from here, with the robots give you a signal of ping that you should start selling. You sell from here, then you start selling. Here you can say you should buy, but since the super trend indicator is still telling you to still sell, then just leave it to sell. You sell from there. This trade is like a 2 or 3 days trade. All right, so you sell from there, you sell from that angle, you sell to this angle, guys. You sell to this place that the robots later change the super trend indicator later change, so to this angle, guys. The profit you made from this one only, guys, adds, if with your perfect lot size, you've already make a lot of money. All right, you've already make a lot of money. So that is just it. That is just the easy way to use this trading. Like this robot is like 97, like even 98% of profit if you're using it the way I just explained to you. All right, to get this robot is very simple. Just DM me, I'm going to give you the robot, but the robot is for a token. All right, if you DM me, I'm going to give you the robot for a token, guys. Any token that any amount that you use to buy this robot, in a day you can recover your money back in just 1 day. So that is just it, guy. Like this one now, you pick a buy signal from here, and the super trend indicator change the signal, and we are still going buy, we are still buying. Okay, let's say we use the buy here. Where is that candlestick? Okay, here. Let's say we'll use the buy here. Okay, we have a retest, we have a little retest, then from there, by now we are still in profit. Before you know it, the profit will move up. All right, so from here we can still place a buy trade. So even though we have a retest, but believe me, guys, the robot will still give us a buy signal. All right, so that is just it, guys. So if you need this robot, just contact me. I will drop my Telegram channel link down the description. Join our Telegram channel. From there, you need to DM me, then ask for the robot. I will send you the details of the robot, and I'm going to send the robot to you. All right, the robot is not for free. All right, I'm going to, for a little fee, I will drop the robot for you, and you start trading easily. You can let the robot trade for you automatically, or you can also use it as signal for your trading. Most time I use it for signal for my trading. I don't really let the robot trade for me. All right, so I use it for a signal, and meanwhile you can still use it for any you can use it for volatility 100, you can use it for 75, you can use it for 10, you can use it for anything at all. You can even use it for boom and crash. All right, you can use it for boom and crash, but the minimum time frame I suggest is 15 minutes time frame. All right, is 15 minutes time frame. So guys, that is where I'm gonna end this video today. Just try and subscribe to this my channel, so that I will keep giving you videos like this, indicators, robots for trading, and perfect strategies. All right, for trading MT4, MT5. So guys, contact me to get this robot. So see you next time. All right, bye bye.